Hi folks, welcome to Campkins.com. This is the online video walkthrough of the 2020 Avenger 28QBSLE, available now at Campkins. This is a great trailer, it sleeps a lot of people, and it's on for a great price. So we're going to go from the back to the front of the trailer, so follow me. We start off in the bunk room. So in the bunk room, we have 4 bunks, all over 6 feet long, lots of room for the kids to play, lights above both bunks, windows around them as well. And then you've got this large storage cabinet area, which you can put all the kids' clothes in so everything can stay in one spot. It's also got a spot in here for a TV and air conditioning ducted into this room. And then when we come outside, initially we see this large storage cabinet here. So this is a great pantry area for all of your food items, nice and deep for dishes and everything as well. And it is across from the washroom. So if you look in the washroom here, you have a large vanity, also with a large shower and sink, and your controls and monitors for the water are in there as well. It has heat ducted through the floor, air conditioning ducted through the ceiling. Over here you've got a great 4-seater dinette, storage underneath the dinette with windows all the way around, and then nice bright lighting as well. Here you've got your couch area, which will fold down into a bed as well. And then right beside it, you've got the entertainment area, which has a huge wall. You can put up to a 50-inch TV on that wall. And then it's got the stereo with the illuminated speakers and Bluetooth and all those great gadgets. In the kitchen area, you can see you've got lots of counter space, glass top stove, whole farmhouse sink. You've also got lots of drawers and good storage in the kitchen area as well. And then in the bedroom here, you can see you've got lots of room at the end of the bed, storage all the way around the bed, as well as lots of windows, and it's just a great spot to get some peace and quiet. So folks, this is a special buy. We've only got a limited number of these. This is the 2020 Avenger 28QBSLE, available now at Campkins. We say it's worth the hurdle to Myrtle. Well, where's that? It's just north of Whitby on Highway 12. So why don't you come on out and help us help you make your RV dreams come true.